news from Gate Web3. The Gate Fun Launchpad is now live, so you can now create your own meme token in just 1 minute with no coding and ultra low gas fees, only around 0.00007 built on Gate layer. It is super fast, simple, and ready for instant trading. So here how it works. So connect your wallet, Get wallet or MetaMask, set your token name, symbol and city, confirm and pay a tiny gas fee and boom, your token is live. You can earn 10% trading fee share plus a 50 GT reward when your token migrates to Get Swap. So explore and trade new token right now on Get Alpha, Get Web3 and Meme. Go and join the 6000 GT reward pool for Gator and thank you for